Within Autodesk Tandem, assets and spaces are hosted by source models. You can incorporate and manage models within the Source Files tab. There are a couple of ways to add models. You can either click Add Models if this is the first import, or select Import Model. You will see that you can directly upload Revit or IFC models, or you can connect to your Autodesk Docs account to source models that are stored there. If you have a source model stored locally that you would like to upload, provide a title and simply drag and drop your file, or use your file browser to locate your models. In the case that you would not want this model loaded when accessing the facility, you can uncheck Visible in Default View, which will exclude the model during the initial load of a facility and allow you to turn it on as desired. If your model has multiple phases, you can select the desired phase here and click Import. If your models are stored in Docs, we are leveraging your Autodesk ID to connect to the accounts and projects you have access to. Here, you can select the appropriate account and project to navigate your project files. Now you can drill down through the folders and select your models. Again, you can select the desired phase and click Import. Once you have loaded your models, you can toggle the default load state of each model as on or off. And under the More Actions, you can update to the latest version or delete the model if needed.